Hi there, I'm Shauna, passionate about pages and getting ready for Christmas. We are having some little table goodies instead of bonbons today for all the adults, and this is how I'm presenting them on the table. I want to see what it is. So you just pull on here and ta-da! It's special chocolates. How cool is that? Do you want to see how to make them? They're really, really easy. All right. Start with your block of chocolate, or this, anything that's kind of this kind of shape works really well. It could be a bit higher. Probably would work for a jewelry box as well. Take your paper of choice and cut it to the exact height of the box, okay? Just move this out of the way a bit. Then all you want to do is wrap it around and finger press the creases, okay? So you don't have to do lots of measuring. Leave enough of a wrap around, maybe 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch, and trim that off, all right? Then just finger press properly the curves, making sure that you keep these edges level, so that'll make it nice and square. Okay, go through and do each of those. So this is a great way to use up some of the paper that you have lying around, odd bits of Christmas wrapping paper, or Christmas scrapbook paper. Then we are going to add some glue. I prefer to use a liquid glue, but you could use the paper-backed tape. You just want something that's going to hold it firm, okay? And wrap it again so that you can use the box to help you make sure that you've got that nice and square. All right. Slip it out. You do want it snug, so you don't want it to just disappear. Then you are going to look for the center and just kind of push that in. Take a hole punch. I've got this little one that does a slit, but if you've only got like a regular round hole punch, that works as well. Okay. Then you want a piece of ribbon that will go all the way down under the bottom of the box and up, and you want to add, I've added like 4 inches for each of these, so I've added 8 inches overall to that measurement, okay? Because this is the mechanism that will pull the chocolate in and out. It's a good idea to cut the ribbon on an angle. It threads through more easily. Bring it from the inside of the box to the outside. Pull on that. Then the other end, inside of the box to the outside. Okay. Pull it to make sure there's no twists. So you want it nice and flat. Take your chocolate and push it down in there. And it'll drag the ribbon. Oh no, sorry. Hold on to the end of the ribbon, girls. Oopie. Do you know, I like to keep it real, so I'm not editing out that blooper because it will remind you to hold on to both bits of the ribbon, okay, as you slide the box down. Right. Once it's down there, you can level up your ribbon just by pulling on one or the other. And then you are simply going to knot this reasonable, you want it fairly close to the chocolate, but don't stress if there's a little bit of a gap. Depends on your ribbon. I'm using a really lovely soft cotton ribbon, so it's easy to manipulate. If you've got a stiffer ribbon, it might take a bit more work. And then neaten up your frayed edges. Check that it works. Shazam! Yay! And then go through all your leftover stickers and embellishments that are Christmas themed and find something to pop on there. And so I'm thinking for this one, I might just have, I'm just going to have one little stocking and then see, maybe I'll put a flower there and a flower up here. You can, of course, knock yourselves out with the decorating part, but I just wanted this to be quick and easy because I've got 16 of them to make. Hope you enjoy that. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried this before or it's something that you've got a gift that'll work for, that you could use it. Bye for now.